So you've known PC for a minute?
Yes.
I'm gonna ask you one question.
About PC?
You know, yeah. What does MCPC stand for?
I believe he's Master of Ceremony, Polycarp. I don't know. His name is Polycarp, right? I don't know.
Something commit master with comedian.
He's an MC. His
Okay.
name is PC,
Okay.
which is Polycarp.
Okay.
That's her name.
Okay.
So that's it. Just like that's it.
Papa comedian. I don't know. I have no idea. I call him PC.
PC? No.
No, this is really bad. Don't put this on camera, PC.
Oh, you're already on camera. My bad.
Can I Google real quick?
If you want to.
It's MC and then his real name is some backwater named Polycarp.
MCPC, only God knows. It's like a title. You know when all those like maybe Buhari wants to say, hello Nigerians, my name is Buhari, GFCR, FCR, EFCC, MCPC. It's like a title.
You want to, I mean, who would want to book a guy called Polycarp, MC Polycarp? I mean, would you give your money to an MC Polycarp?
No.
That's, I mean, so MCPC, that's it.
But so he.
Some of his segments, he'll say that he had a name, Polycap, and he wanted to be cool and changed it to PC. So that's what I remember. I don't know.
You remember?
Yes.
It's a name. It's like one of those names. It's not like Prudence either. It's,
Prudence?
No. It's like something with PC, but no, it's not normal. What is it?
It's not normal.
No, as in it's not common. Like what are you saying?
You know where we come from, we don't expose our big brothers their full names. So
See, the MC stands for Master of Ceremony.
And what about the
PC stands for Polycarp.
Polycarp?
Polycarp.
What if I told you it is Master of Ceremony and Professional Comedian?
Master of Ceremony. That one we walk to now. That one it can work too.
It can work.
Yeah.
So it's Master of Ceremony.
Oh yeah, of course.
And what's the PC? Oh yeah, what's the PC?
Patrick Chukwudu, as I said earlier on.
Master of Ceremony.
Professional comedian.
Somebody
else said that. Well, that's his name now, and that's what he told us. But I heard somebody say professional comedian. Dang.
Professional comedian.
Really? He told you that? That wasn't what he told me.
That's a lie. That's an afterthought. That's like now that I can't call myself Polycarp and it's not MCPC, people are going to ask me this question. So what can I say? Master, comedian. That will not go work. Master, that's an afterthought. It's MC Polycarp. That's it. That's what it means.
You know, poly means multiple. Multiple. And cap is what they used to cover the head.
So
multiple head
caps.
coverings, you know, something of that nature. You say, tell him that O.T. White said it is Polycarp, and I ask him if I'm right.
Actually, you know when a Nigerian man started the story with actually, you know I'm about to tell you the truth. PC came from Polycarp.
What is that, Poly?
Nah, my brother, that's my name.
Plenty cap.
I don't know how my father
Plenty cap.
came up with that name. I don't know if they gave it to me with cap on my head. So it's Polycarp. So it is a P at the beginning of Polycarp, the C at the middle, and that's MCPC.
Yeah, that's right.
That's MCPC.
So that's the truth.
You have heard it now. MCPC, Master of Ceremony MC, PC, Polycarp. Yes. O.T. White, I'm coming after you. O.T. White, I'm coming after you. That your baby, I'll cut it. All right? Polycarp, out.